In this video, I'm going to share a couple of my secrets with you. What I try to do at least once a month, it's better if you can even do it weekly, is pull the analytics up for your top videos for the week. And I've gone ahead and pulled mine up right here. And you can see that this particular video here has earned me $49.61 this week. Okay, what I do then is I go get that video link, and then I go over to bit.ly bit.ly.com. Let's go ahead and do that, bit.ly.com, so you know exactly what it is I'm talking about. And I create a short link for this, and then I add those in my description box. Now, if you see these links in my description box here, these are the top videos for the week. And the reason I'm doing that these are the most productive videos, and these are either they can be most watched, or really I tend to use the ones that make the most money, because not always do the most views make the most money, and that's another long story we won't get into. But everything pays different based on what the content of the video is about. So try to do that at least once a month. Make links. These here, it looks like I haven't made any links for these, but normally I like to make links. That way I can track, you know, how many times they've been clicked and just what all's going on with them. But you can put those in your videos, and also you can go to those same videos that are being watched the most and add an annotation to your other videos that are being watched the most. That way that they're all linked together, and people will tend to watch your top 10 or top 15 videos all the time, and that way you're making the most money you can from those videos. And if you make a new video and you want to get it, you know, some recognition, make an annotation in the most popular videos that links to the new video. I hope I'm making sense, guys. It gets a little complicated, but once you do it and you understand what you're doing, it'll all make sense to you. I hope you're doing this and the light comes on all at once and you understand. But it gets hard to explain, because the main thing you got to be able to do is read your analytics, and you've got to make your videos based on your analytics. And that's the best way to get your new videos started and being seen more in searches, because the videos that are watched more and shared more and commented on more, favorited more, those are the videos that come up in search results the most. So by adding the annotations from your most watched videos, you're giving those newer videos a leg up, if that makes sense. Okay, so I hope that wasn't too hard to understand. And if you apply that, I know for a fact that you're going to make more money on YouTube and have more views as well as more engagement.